Hello, my name is John Jarvis and I am a WordPress developer. What I'm going to be doing in this video series right here is showing people how to create a WordPress website from scratch and turning it into a membership site. I'm going to be doing it in such a way that it's going to have strength from search engines and it will get free visitors. I'm going to do this in such a way that it's going to have a double indent as opposed to a single indent in the search engines. And the search engines will see this website as an authority site. I'm going to take you into the search engine right now and very quickly show you the difference between a single indent and a double indent. This here is my existing website. It's built on the agency WordPress theme. Let's go to Google and do a search for John Jarvis Training. Here we are. Now let's do our search. This is what I call a single indent. Now we're going to search for a website that I know for a fact is an authority website. Here we are over in Firefox. This time, let's type in Melaleuca official site. Okay, and by the way, I'm not a rep for Melaleuca, although it is a good company with good products. I'm just using this because I know that this exists. And what I call a double indent is when you see several different websites all from one search. So you see the difference between this with the single website right here and this with all of the different pages. That's because the Melaleuca website is built on its domain and these other sites are built on a subdomain. So what I'm going to do is take my website, John Jarvis Training, I'm going to turn it into a membership site, and I'm going to have this membership site on a different domain. And what I'm about to show everybody applies to any theme, any website, any industry. Now to build your new membership site, you go to yourdomainname.com, you type in /cpanel. What you do right now is you enter in your username and your password and you log in. Once you're inside your dashboard, scroll down. You click on Softaculous, or you can click on WordPress, or there's a third one in here in certain web hosting companies called Fantastico. Basically they all work the same. In this control panel I click on Softaculous. Now I click on WordPress, install. What I need to do here is set my directory. Whatever I put here is going to be the URL of the website. In other words, johnjarvistraining.com/membership. You enter in your site name and your site description, and I'm going to enter this in. WordPress website training and how to build a membership site. After this, you simply choose your admin username and your admin password. You choose an email and you put it here, and the same email, put it here, and click install. Here you go. You just created a membership site, at least the raw version of it. So in the next episode, or the next section of this video I should say, I'm going to be installing plugins. On second thought, I'm not going to install the plugins right now. By the time you find these videos, this membership site is going to be ready. All you need to do is go to johnjarvistraining.com/membership, and there will be a spot on the home page where you can get a membership for this website for free. And what this is going to do is allow you inside so you can actually watch this website being built. And there are going to be different membership levels here, and it's going to be completely different by the time you get to it. In the meantime, there's going to be all kinds of images and even some music soundtracks in these videos. And these images and music is what I'm actually giving away for free with my Internet Marketers Toolkit on this website. This is my regular blog at johnjarvistraining.com. What we're giving away free here is an ebook, How to Start a Website Business. This plugin that allows you to create lead capture pages. A whole slew of background images, and that's images all of the images that you see on this site pretty much. Also, Ginny Culp's Greatest Hits. This is royalty-free music. All you need to do to get this is just enter in your name, first name, and your email address so I'll know where to send this to. And welcome to my website.